Hi, my name is Chetu. I am the founder and CEO of Australasian Academics. I'm here to present to you all our upcoming launch for British Council and Cambridge accredited IELTS training workshops, which will cover not only the training workshops but a large number of webinars which will cover almost all aspects of professional journal and academia style English language training. As many of you are already aware that we've been working very hard over the last 8 years to be able to get to where we are today and now ready to move forward with the next exciting venture. I will be personally overseeing the training sessions during this rollout, which we estimate to unfold over the next 6 months to a year. We will be aiming to reach our proposed required IELTS band targets of 8 to 8.5 bands for our students here in the Pakistani market as well, similar to what we previously achieved and demonstrated in the UAE market. We are very well aware of the current economic difficulties present within a large number of market sectors, particularly in education, training, and consultancy business during the pandemic of COVID-19. This, however, will mean that we need to get extra creative and aggressive in our training methods. Let's touch on some of the writing tasks ideas, starting by asking questions like how can students inject creativity into that part of the exam, and how creative is too creative? Secondly, I will be hoping to answer the question like how important it is that students know what is expected in the exam. For example, not just learning the types of questions in all components of IELTS exam, but how the different components are linked together. Here are some of the specific strategies relating to the writing task ideas, which is one of the most important modules of the IELTS exam. A. Give the students the opportunity to create their own writing task 2 questions and the opportunity to choose the best. Set strict limits and stick to them. This helps students concentrate on the task itself. Hone is now on the aspect of writing task 2 in all stages. Understanding the task, general ideas, organizing the answers, planning the essay, then writing the introduction, topic, sentences, and ultimately the conclusion. When students are comfortable with the writing process, you ask them to write in groups of 3 and make sure that each of their answers is different, but with the same meaning, of course. Give students a word such as technology or intranet and ask them what that word associates with. What phrases come to their minds? What types are there? What effects technology has on our lives, whether it's good or bad, all pros and cons. What solutions there are to the problems, what the future holds. Triggers like this can be used for any situation for teacher, student, and the writer. As a part of this, you need to ask students to create a list of phrases related or unrelated to a theme, such as technology, growth, health, transport, or even poverty. Ask them to come up with links between the two terms, such as cause and effect relationships. Then get the students to compare each other's associations and expand to it. You also need to ask the students to come up with ideas in a perspective chain. For example, association of a personal familial, social, local, regional, national, and international nature. This change, like many of the creative strategies, helps students bring together and control their ideas. The ideas are perhaps there, but they're not classified. So students often don't know how they can create the links between each topic. And this is what we're going to help them achieve. Again, I don't want any of you to feel that you're not able to ask questions or make some smart suggestions. I truly welcome any helpful ideas that any of you might have. So please feel free to ask using the contact us section on our website, or if you prefer, schedule a private meeting or send me a note. I will really appreciate the fast thinking. Thank you very much for your time.